Join our nursery at Espoir. It's a best school, beautiful, having the screens for the children. It's a wonderful school. You can wish to bring your child to study in. Here are the screens for the children, where they slide and enjoy their life all of the day. Just come and join us. Bring your child. We receive the children. We register the children every time. Whenever we are in the beginning of the year, in the middle, just even at the end of the year. Anytime you bring your child is well received here at Espoir. Here at the building of nursery school, where the schools are having good pictures that help children to learn ABCD alphabets, where there are children enjoying and playing. It's a school, it's a wonderful school. We can wish you to bring your child to study in. Here are the classrooms, the best classrooms where the nursery children are studying from. It's a safe place. It's a place where the children are enjoying by themselves without being disturbed by any other adult children. Just it's a beautiful environment, a beautiful class. It's a beautiful department where there are available water taps for washing the hands. Everything is there. To bring your child here at our school, Espoir, it's just to make sure that your child is in good hands. Join us. Here are the playgrounds. The children do not meet with the industry. Just see, it's a wonderful, best, and a good school. Thank you for bringing your children here. Thank you for working with us. We are Espoir. Here is at nursery session. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. We are very happy to work with you.